Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to talk about Creative Fabrica. If you already subscribed, this video is for you. If not, this video is for you before you subscribe. I'm going to share with you a very important information before paying your money to Creative Fabrica. For those who don't know Creative Fabrica, as you can see, you can download fonts, you can download graphic, over 10 million graphics. You can download this and use it for commercial use. As you can see, you can modify it, use it on your t-shirt. As you can see, it's including commercial license, so you can download it and tweak it with some kind of words, some other graphics, and sell it on t-shirts, stickers, or whatever. You have just to modify these things. And they have, like, if you want to use it as it is, there is some products with POD license. So this is the website. When you open the website, Creative Fabrica, so as you can see, you can go from the link in the description. When you open the link in the description, it will give you this banner. So I'm going to explain to you the difference between all these offers. Also, you have like free trial, and also you have $1 unlimited download for 1 month. So let's back to this one. If you go from the link in the description, which is all the link, it's referral links. All links, referral links, which is we will make little commissions from your subscription, but you will pay less than regular prices. You will pay nothing more. This is between us and Creative Fabrica as marketers. So this is the first offer I'm going to share with you. As you can see, you can pay just $4, but this is yearly payment. As you can see, $47 per year, which is $4 per month, which is a very little than $30, because the regular price without discount deals like Christmas and these things, it's $30. So it's not 13, but it's 30 usually. So I'm sorry for the noise. Let me just pause the video and I will complete. Okay, I'm back. So as I said, it's usually $30, but with these offers, it will give you like a huge discount. So this is if you want to pay yearly, and the next year it will be this price. As you can see, how much you will save. You will normal price it's 348, which is a very good deal for you if you want to use Creative Fabrica for long term. You can read this page. As you can see, you have unlimited access to, to 11 millions. I can't even say it, 11 millions assets with $9 per month. As I told you, this offer $9, it's the same as $4 per month if you pay yearly, and you can see that in details here. So this is the monthly payment, and this is offer, or this is an offer as well. For the link I gave you, if you want to subscribe to this, I will give you another link with the $10 free downloads before paying. So this is what you will get with $47 a year, or $4 month, $4 per month. So you have access to everything, even the classes. As you can see, all free classes you can get, and premium classes you can get as well. So yeah, you can read about the review, what others says about these things. I'm so sorry if you have that, if I have like noise in the background. If you go all the way down, I guess you will find like subscription license. Here you can click on it, and here you can read more details about subscription license, what you can do. For example, if you download this, you can't use the things as is. Maybe you can mix them and add like something to use it. This is for the commercial license, but the full POD, I guess there is another section for full POD, print on demand, as you can see. So the print on demand products, you can use it as is, but I don't recommend that because a lot of people maybe use it before you. So you can change the colors, change the stickers from other program, because you have unlimited access. You can download whatever you want and mix this graphic with this graphic and be creative. You know what I mean? So this is the first offer. The second offer is the same offer, but if you don't find like this offer, if you didn't find this banner up, where is it? Where is it? Let me back. Okay. The banner I gave you, it's disappeared. But if you open the link from the description, it will appear up here and you can get it. You can get this offer. It still existed because the offer is still existed. So if you didn't find this price, which is 47, don't worry, because you have also this price which work all the year. It's $60 per year. It's like you will add $1 per month, so it's not a huge deal, but you can get unlimited access. Okay, it's not 6 million. Okay, it's not 6 million. It's they updated. It's 10 million graphics, and this is the almost 200k fonts. Also, you have studios and a lot of fonts. So this is the first offer, but second choice if you don't have the first one activated. I will leave this until the end. So if you are thinking about subscribing to Creative Fabrica for, let's say, 4 or 3 months, you can get this one. You can try it for free. You will give you 10 downloads if you want just to try it. 10, and then you pay like $9 to download things for 6 months. Or if you don't want to pay for yearly access, you can pay this, cancel it, pay it again, cancel it, and whatever you want. But if you want just to give a try to Creative Fabrica and to download everything you want and to get like unlimited access, so I have the golden and maybe the diamond link for you, the diamond offers. This is a referral offer as well. You pay just $1, as you can see. With only $1 you have 1 month full access, but please pay attention that you have to try, and next month this it will renew on $90. Don't worry, you can cancel it anytime. You can go to dashboard and cancel it, no question asked. Maybe you can try this for 1 or 2 or 3 weeks or 29 days before it ends, and you cancel it. If you decide to keep it, you can keep it. This is the renew price. And maybe if you try Creative Fabrica and you like that stuff and you want to stick with it, you can go to the first offer I showed you. If it not exist, you can go to the second one. Otherwise, you can pay monthly $9 for 3 or 4 months. Otherwise, if you don't have, you can create, I don't know if this is allowed or not. You can try this again to make sure, with another account of course, to make sure that you really want Creative Fabrica, to stick with it. If you like it, you can stick with it. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. In my opinion, Creative Fabrica is the best resource online to download like graphics, fonts. If you go to the fonts, you will find like crazy amounts of fonts here. You can scroll, and also you can read articles about the fonts, how people using it and all that stuff. And here you have like 3D crafts. If you do in 3D stuff, you can download these things. If you are interested about this one, you can download it and be creative. Creative Fabrica, it's creative place to download your resources. I hope this video answered all your questions. Don't forget to check the link in the description. All the links are referral links, which is we will make commissions, but you will not pay more than what's it shown. So this commission we get it from Creative Fabrica, not from your money. So we are getting nothing from your money. Creative Fabrica pay us marketers to market their services. So just to make this clear for you, and for trust that you trust us on the offer, we're doing our best to deliver the good offer for you to save you time and money. So thank you so much for your attention. I'm very happy that you stick until the end of the video. If you stick until the end of the video, you can put like a smile emoji in the comment, so this way I know that you are a special one. Thank you so much and goodbye.